So they factored it they split it up into 2 and 9. Now, 2 is a prime number, so that works. Okay. What about 9? 9 is not a prime number because what can go into 9?
3.
3 times 3. Okay. So the first step to that is the one that they have right beside of the this part right here. All that first part is your first step. Go ahead and split it up. Now with the variables, this is pretty simple. All you do is just break it up into x, x, y, y, y. Because if you combine those terms, if you multiplied that out, you'd get what you originally had. Look at the x squared and the y to the third. Notice they have 2 x's there, and they have 3 y's there. So that's pretty simple. Okay, so I'm gonna finish writing those x and y's. They've already done that for me with the variables. That's already completely factored. Okay. Now, my 3 are they prime numbers?
Yeah.
Yes. So now we are completely factored. Look at the very bottom where it says it gives you the answer right there in factored form, the same exact thing that I got up there. All right. Now with even numbers, well, I don't know, it's equally the same though. Simple. We know I got a to the third. Okay. I know that I'm going to have a times a times a. Okay. If it tells me a to the third, I'm going to write down 3 a's. Okay. I got b squared. So I know I'm going to write down 2 b's right here. All right. Now, when it comes to 15, what can we multiply to get to? We can do 5 times 3. Okay, so we can split it up in there.
And there you go.
And really,
That's done.
that's done because 5 and 3 are prime numbers. Okay, you can't multiply anything to get to 5, can't multiply anything to get to 3. Fairly simple. We just talked about breaking it down to prime numbers. Okay.
Yeah, you don't have a lot of time.
So they factored each number. That was their first step. All right. So factored that, and they factor that.
What do you think?
Yeah, I only have like a minute and like 55 seconds.
Now, to find the greatest common factor of both of these, you need to figure out which ones are the same. Now, if you look at they're stacked on top of each other, you can tell, okay, I got a 3 up top, I got a 3 at the bottom. Okay, that works. Okay, what else do I have in common? A,
B.
and a B. So, this number,
Wait, how do you get 3A and B out of that?
all I did was circle which ones were the same. Okay? Does that make sense?
There's only 1 3 in the top one, so you have to circle.
Yes, yes, yes,
Can we go back to the side of
yes. Okay, so all I did was circle the same factors. Now, lastly, we can just put these together. I got a 3, I got an A, and I got a B.
But you have 2 A's and 2 B's.
Well, you're just determining which ones are the same. Now, you don't double them up.
Oh, you just put.
Yeah, you just put that number down. Okay? So that is the greatest common factor of both those numbers.
Wait, we're going back to.